Top 5 waterproof tech gadgets every traveler needs.
Traveling often means dealing with unexpected weather and wet environments. Having waterproof tech can keep your devices safe and functional, no matter where your adventures take you. In this video, discover 5 essential waterproof gadgets designed to survive rain, splashes, and even submersion, so you can focus on enjoying your journey without worry.
1. Waterproof action cameras.
Waterproof action cameras let you capture every moment, rain or shine. Popular models like GoPro Hero series are built tough, resist water down to impressive depths, and record high-quality video. Perfect for snorkeling, kayaking, or just exploring wet conditions, these cameras make it easy to document your adventures where regular devices can't go.
2. Waterproof Bluetooth speakers.
Waterproof Bluetooth speakers bring music to the beach, poolside, or a rainy campsite. Brands like JBL and Ultimate Ears offer durable speakers with water resistance ratings such as IP67, meaning they can handle splashes and even brief submersion. Enjoy your favorite tunes outdoors without worrying about damage from water or moisture.
3. Rugged waterproof power banks.
Rugged waterproof power banks keep your devices charged in any weather. Models from companies like Anker and RAV Power are designed with sealed ports and coatings that block out water and dust. Whether you're hiking through rain or boating, these power banks ensure your phone or camera never runs out of juice.
4. Waterproof e-readers.
Waterproof e-readers make it possible to read by the pool or on a rainy day without stress. Devices such as the Kindle Paperwhite and Kobo Libra are rated for immersion in water, protecting them from accidental spills or a quick dip in the tub. Travelers can enjoy their favorite books wherever their trip takes them.
5. Waterproof smartwatches.
Waterproof smartwatches offer fitness tracking, notifications, and navigation, all while resisting water exposure. Leading options from Apple, Garmin, and Samsung boast swim-proof designs, meaning you can track laps, run in the rain, or wash your hands freely. These watches keep you connected and healthy no matter the conditions.
Travel smart with waterproof tech.
Having the right waterproof gadgets lets you make memories, stay connected, and enjoy your adventures stress-free. Each device on this list combines durability with cutting-edge features, ensuring your tech is ready for whatever nature throws your way. With these essentials, you can journey confidently through every splash, storm, and stream.